My favorite pastime, guys. Drinking water, sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's my third video. I am keeping track. Why do I always... That makes six. I am keeping track of my progress, and I hope I'm loud enough. I had these microphones that I thought might help, and they don't work. So I did try to improve the audio a little bit. But today, yesterday I got a couple of boxes in the mail, and I said, why don't I unbox them on my channel? So I am doing my first unboxes. I went to Louis Vuitton, and not, forget about it. I did not go to Louis Vuitton. I probably will never, ever, in my entire existence, ever go to Louis Vuitton. I don't know enough about them to support them. But I did, I got two boxes. I got the big box, and I got a small box. So I'm going to unbox the small box first, because it's actually just a couple of repeat products that I was running out of. And it's just a standard box, USPS box. I was running out of a couple of things from Dehiya, and you can hear it. You really can't like see it, but you can hear me open it. And it comes with this cute little message, and it says, first of all, you're pretty. You're really pretty. And then on the back, she writes you a handwritten message. Yeah, it's quite a few words. That's all handwritten. And her name is Mia. The Dehiya brand is owned by Mia Dehiya, D-E-H-I-Y-A. And, of course, you guys have seen me talk about the Safi mist. I got a new Safi mist. Oh, yeah, there goes my old one. This was my old one. This is the new one. Just came fresh out the box. This is what the box looks like. Well, this was in it, and now I've taken it out, and I have also a second glow. Like, I wash my face every day, a few times a day, with the glow. So this is the new one. This is the old one. I make my lids really, really tight, so I'm running low. And I also know that it starts to get a little bit brighter when it starts to dry out. So I'm like, well, it starts to get low. So it comes with the seal, peel up the seal. So I just wanted to, and there is a color difference kind of, but I just wanted to re-up, restock up, re-support the brand. Come on now, re-support the brand, Dehiya, the glow. We talked about, I think we talked about the ingredients last time. It's the Hydrate, Balance, and Brighten. Also, it's got geranium in it, just like the spray. I think we talked about the spray last time. So this is the old one. It's the new one. So I got these two new products from Dehiya. And that's it. Nothing else. Just some paper with the name, with the company name, all spaced out kinda, but it spells Dehiya, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, and I'm wearing that lip bar compact that I got the other day. I have it on my eyes, and I have it on my highlight cheek thing. Don't mind any of these. I think I got a mosquito bite over there. And then I have the lipstick on my lips, so that's great. I don't know if my lighting, I don't know. But anyway, maybe I could just get a little closer. Oops, that sound. I am so obsessed with sounds in videos now. I was like, the dog was barking, a motorcycle was going by. I was like, oh my God, what is going on? But it's actually really quiet, and I'm trying to speak up. I'm trying to protrude my voice. And this is a live working household, so my family's probably like, she still insists on doing this whole thing. So yeah, I do it. But here goes the second box, all right? This box is the big box. This was the small box. This is the big box, okay? And you can see the tape. It's got the logo of the company all over it, and we'll get into the name. It's Lauren Napier Beauty, or Lauren Napier Beauty. I've been watching her wipes for, well, the product. Let me get into the product. I mean, I've been looking at her page, and she's so cute and she's so sweet, and I'm about to show you a picture of her. and I just love to support, you know. This is one thing that I have not tried that I just bought $71 worth of product from her, which is not a problem. I don't have my invoice. I think it's on my kitchen counter somewhere with the other invoices that I have. Again, I do really hope that the sound is working out. I know how annoying it can be if you can't hear. It's hot. Every day I'm drinking water all day. That's my favorite pastime. Okay, so the box, you open up the box, and this is what's going on inside of the box. I just took out the cards that came in the box, and it's 3 different cards. One says, there's beauty in taking it off, on the black side, and then on this side it's white. It says, when you shop Lauren Napier Beauty, you are supporting a movement, confidence. And that's what it says, and then it's Lauren. Okay, so that was that, and here goes the second campaign picture. Then it's got 5 steps on the back. Most chic makeup remover wipe on earth. It's vegan, wonderful. Lauren Napier products are infused with the highest quality botanical ingredients sourced from across the globe. Lauren Napier Beauty product. That's number 3. Retain moisture levels inside. Lightweight, portable, 100% recyclable packaging. Take 1 or 3. They don't dry out. Point number 4. Gender neutral facial cleansing wipes and makeup removers. Fact number 5. Made in America. Manufactured with solar energy. Cruelty free. 100% female owned and operated. People. Come on now. And that's not even her. This is the cutie pie right here, Lauren Napier. All right? The crowd goes wild. She's gorgeous. She's beautiful. 100% woman-owned, black-owned company. And this is actually the campaign for the wipe that she just launched. She's got a full product line of wipes, different kinds of wipes, different types of benefits from the wipes. And so I'm going to get into the 2 that I just ordered. Again, this is the campaign for the La Rose. I hope you can see that. My nails are all jacked up. So yeah, and it's got some words. La Rose by Lauren Napier. Luxe facial cleansing wipes. Leave smooth, clean while leave skin smooth and clean while reducing blemishes, scarring, and clogged pores. Rose water, anti-inflammatory benefits, help soothe soreness and redness associated with acne and balance oily skin. There is beauty in taking it off. So that's her tagline. There is beauty in taking it off. Like, I just threw it in the box. I don't know. I'm wild. Alright, so here we go. Bam, baby. Ooh, look at the lighting. I'm like, I could be like, I don't know what I was thinking. But I'm going to try to make this video quick. I always do say that. And this is, look at that. Look at the size of that. It's like bigger than my whole entire head. And this is the packaging for Flaunt. This wipe is Flaunt by Lauren Napier. You can see it right there. It says something else. Oh, contains 50 facial cleansing wipes. So this is awesome. And then it's got some words on the back. So yeah, I'm just going to open this bad boy up. I don't know if that's like... Nope, no ASMR. Goodness, my trash bin is right down there, but I missed, so I'm gonna pick it up. I like to make sure that everything is in order, okay? So it's got that resealable kind of bag, you know, like, I don't know, like Ziploc blocking, I don't know. Let's just open it up. So that's what it does, and that's what's inside. Here we're gonna shake, rattle and roll. I don't know what I'm doing there. Alright, so, and yeah, 50 facial wipes. I'm dropping some, but 50 facial wipes. Obviously, this is not 50, but these are, oh wow, these are so cute. I've been dreaming about these bad boys forever. Alright, so the box is right here. I just threw it in the box. I don't throw things around if I can avoid it, I guess. Oh, you could already feel the squishiness inside, so you know it's moist, boo. You know it's moist. Contains 1 facial wipe, and it says Flaunt on it, and it says Lauren Napier by Lauren Napier. Contains 1 facial wipe. Then on the back it says Gently wipe face, neck, and I don't know what that says. To rid skin of impurities. Safe for eyes and lips. If irritation occurs, rinse with water. All right, so now I have to figure out what this word means, and get to know the brand a little bit more. Oh yeah, this is my first time opening it. I'm gonna wear these for a few days. I'm not in a space right now where I can wipe my face off, because I am gonna try to run out the door and run some errands, because I haven't even eaten. So I'm gonna try to eat something. I'm a mess. I'm gonna try to eat something. I'm gonna try to end this video really quickly. Okay, so this is La Rose. Okay, honey, I got La Rose also, and this is for. So yeah, this one. What is this? So it's 15 facial wipes. All right, so it is in a smaller little, but still huge. I mean, like, still huge, bro. So, and this one is the 15. This was obviously what I was saying, the La Rose. This is the launch campaign for La Rose, and this is the new product that she launched. And right back here, you get to see inside of the pink roses, you get to see one individual La Rose wipe. I hope all of this helps. Check her out. She's like so cute on social media. I know she was at Essence Fest. I know she was at 25 Black Women in Beauty, if I'm not mistaken. Her hair was different. She's got like long braids right now. But I watch her snaps. Well, what are they, snaps lives or her Instagram feed? I don't really have her on Snapchat, so I would be lying if I said that. So let me stop rambling. I'm hoping you guys can hear this video. Look, I just ripped that off. And again, it's got the same consistent la la la. You know what it is. It's got the words on the back. It's got 15 wipes. And let's get one out. Nah, it just smells like plastic. It kind of reminds me of, I don't know, I'm going to veer off the point for a sec. But if you ever had this little, I'm from New York, so if you ever had this little tube that came with the stick and you would put the stuff on the end of the stick and blow it and it would make a bubble. Oh my gosh. Why did it transport me back to my childhood? And it goes away pretty quickly. Like, you just open up the pack and it's the first thing I smell. Okay, and so this is La Rose, a little pretty La Rose over here. Again, I'm going to try them out. I'm going to give it a couple of days and then I'm going to revisit how amazing these wipes are. I'm going to be like traveling around with them because I do like to wipe my face off throughout the day. Anyway, it's just something that I do. Even if I just use some, like I tell you, I travel around with my micellar water. It's a type of cleanser, and I can just, again, I can just fill these up and just spray it on my face and give myself a quick wipe. I'll grab, like, you know, grab my jar, but I have these little pads like in my car. I have them, you know, when you have junk everywhere. All right, guys, if you like this video, I forgot the $88 product that I bought from Dehiya. Okay, I am all over the place and I apologize. I was getting ready to end this video and I didn't show you guys the thing that cost me $88. Okay, I think it's the most expensive skincare product I own. Yeah, so this is CBD oil. I think everybody knows what the CBD oil is. It's like some type of marijuana. I don't know what, but this, the Beauty Balm. I don't know if you can see that. B-I-R-U. Beauty Balm. It's a CBD beauty balm. So good. Soothes, calms, and repairs. Dehiya Beauty Multifunctional Face and Body Balm. 100 milligrams of full spectrum CBD plus 25 whole plant botanicals makes it a stress relieving, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant powerhouse, baby. And this is, again, it cost me $88, and the count is 1.7 ounces. Oh, but it smells so good, and as you see, I've already used it. I know about this already. I got this as a sample. I don't know where I want to put it. I just want to put it on my face somewhere. It's so good. I got it in a sample. Oh wow, it's right here. I got it in a sample. I'm telling you guys. It's right here. I got it in a sample. And I had to get it. I just had to get it. I ordered the sample and I loved it. Again, it was quite pricey, but I love it. I think the smell, and I used the product already. I had that sample, even though it was a small size. It went a long way. I mean, obviously, I still have some in there. I still actually have a lot in here that I can still use. I mean, the product is still in here. It still smells good. It's not dried out or anything like that. I got a couple extra pieces right there. But yeah, that was, I didn't even get a chance to really talk about it. Like I said, some of these were repurchases, so I wasn't as excited opening the box. I mean, for $88, I should have been more excited about it. And I wish my lighting was better, but I'm going to grow, guys. I'm going to grow, and I'm going to show you things. Again, this is from Dehiya CBD oil. Then we got our Lauren Napier wipes. Yeah, support. I'm gonna try to remember to write things down in the description box. I love you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe. And thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking it out, especially if you made it 16 minutes and 13 seconds in. All right, guys, have a great day.